Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have Shokz or AfterShokz Trekz Air wireless bone conduction headphones and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on them. You're going to want to do this reset for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting in case these earphones are not connecting to your phone or other device or they're not pairing with Bluetooth. A factory reset can fix a lot of these issues. So what we want to do in order to, the second reason you might want to do this is if you're just trying to set them up on a new phone or something like that and you want to wipe everything off of them. So the first thing you want to do is just go to your phone or anything like that and delete these off of there. Once we've done that, with these turned off, we're just going to press and hold the power button to put them into pairing mode. So we hold this for about 5 seconds until we see the light blinking blue, red, blue, red, blue, red, and it says pairing in the headphones. Once that happens, we're going to just let go of this button and then come back and press and hold the volume up, the volume down, and the multifunction button on the other earphone. Just press and hold those 3 buttons for 3 to 5 seconds until the headphones beep, vibrate, indicating that the reset is successful. All we need to do from there is just turn them off, turn them back on, and set them up like a new set of headphones.